Section 4.1.8 Rearranging Formulae for Leaving Cert Maths, Higher Level and Ordinary Level. This video was produced by the UCD Math Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. Example 1. Make A the subject of the formula S equals ut plus a half at squared. So we want to rearrange our formula so that A is on the left and everything else is on the right. So I see in my question there that the term involving A is on the right. So let's just rewrite our formula so that everything on the right is on the left and vice versa. So I've got ut plus a half at squared equals S. Now I want to rearrange my formula so everything not involving A is happening on the right hand side of the equal sign. So firstly, I can subtract a ut from both sides. So I've got the left hand side minus ut and the right hand side minus ut. On the left, ut minus ut is 0, so I'm left with a half at squared, and on the right I've got s minus ut. I want to also get rid of the half from the left hand side, so let's multiply across by 2, because 2 times a half on the left hand side is going to be 1, so I'm left with at squared, and on the right, multiplying out my bracket, I've got 2s minus 2ut. And lastly, I need to get rid of that t squared from the left hand side. And how can I do that? I can do that by dividing both sides by t squared. So from the left hand side, at squared divided by t squared is just a, and the right hand side is 2s minus 2ut all over t squared. So that's what I wanted to do. I got a on the left and everything else is on the right. So I've made a the subject of the formula. Example 2. If t equals k times the root of L over G, express L in terms of t, k, and g. So again, I want L to be the subject of my formula. Let's rewrite the equation so that the terms involving L are on the left. So I've got k times the root of L over G equals t, and now I want to bring everything else over to the right, so just L remains. So firstly, I can divide both sides by k, so k times root of L over G divided by k equals t divided by k. On the left hand side, the k's cancel top and bottom, so I'm left with the root of L over G equals t over k. Now I want to get rid of the square root. How can I do that? I can do that by squaring the left hand side, but if I square the left, I have to square the right as well. So let's see what happens there. When I square the left hand side, the square gets rid of the square root, so I've got L over G, and on the right I've got t squared over k squared. And now I just want L to be on its own on the left, so I need to somehow get rid of that 1 over G, and I can do that by multiplying both sides by G. So G times L over G is just L because the G's cancel, and on the right I've got G t squared all over k squared. So again, I've got L on its own and it's being expressed in terms of t, k, and g. So I'm done.